Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your Archos Access 57, for the first you have to log into your Instagram account, and after that just pick up the picture that you want to take. So I will go for this one. After that we have to go for the home screen and enter the Play Store. Right now tap on the search pool and type here Repost. Repost for Instagram. We can also take it from the quick list. And we have to get this application from the Kimsey929, so let's get it. Right now we have to open application, and here we get the preview, how it is going to look. To save the pictures, we can use the share button and also click on the three dots in the right upper corner. So let's do this. Open our Instagram. Let's click here. And currently we don't have the option to send to the app, so let's close it and tap on this right upper corner on the three dots and then click share to. And here you got the Repost for Instagram application, so let's click here. Go back and open the app, and as you can see here we got the picture, so we can just enter for it. We can take off the signature by clicking right here, and if you want to save to gallery you have to click on the middle button, then accept the permissions, and right now just enter for the gallery, and here it is. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!